Iplex's BlackMax is the original Australian-made large-bore twin-wall polypropylene pipe system. The stormwater solution that makes sense. Manufactured with a structured wall profile, enabling a high pipe stiffness SN8, which allows designers and installers to use BlackMax with confidence in shallow or deep trenching applications under road and rail infrastructure. The dual wall structure features a smooth inner bore, combined with a corrugated outer wall design, optimizing material usage whilst maintaining structural integrity. The ribbed and double-layered socket reinforces the joint, providing a robust and secure watertight solution. The BlackMax rubber ring joint is engineered to resist infiltration, exfiltration, and root ingress, making it highly suitable for a wide range of stormwater applications. Heavy stormwater drainage pipes in short lengths can present challenges during installation. The weight often requires heavy lifting equipment and manpower, which can slow down the installation process and create significant worksite safety issues. But BlackMax pipes are light, strong, and produced in long lengths. They can easily be maneuvered by hand or with light lifting equipment for larger sizes. BlackMax pipes can also be easily cut on site, anywhere along its length, and joined with the same rubber ring. BlackMax pipes don't produce silica dust during installation, repairs, or cutting, ensuring a safer working environment and mitigating health risks for workers. Conventional stormwater drainage pipes are known to be susceptible to corrosion and cracking with ground movement and settlement. Tree root intrusion is also a common cause of failure in drainage pipe systems, leading to unplanned and expensive maintenance programs. BlackMax is resistant to root intrusion, corrosion, and aggressive ground conditions, while maintaining the integrity of their joints and ensure they remain watertight and fully functional. The tough, ductile nature of the BlackMax pipes makes them highly resistant to cracking, even with ground movement and heavy loads in shallow or deep installations. The smooth inner bore of BlackMax pipes allows for a higher hydraulic capacity compared to pipes with rough or irregular inner surfaces. The smooth inner bore reduces frictional resistance, which can result in either flatter grades or, in some circumstances, smaller sizes. BlackMax is an environmentally friendly choice that makes sense. BlackMax also enhances safety on site during installation, reducing risks with handling and lifting. For further information, contact our technical experts on 13 10 86 or visit iplex.com.au/BlackMax.